Hey everyone, this is Dom with Top 5 Reviewed, and today I'm just gonna go over a quick little review of this keyboard that I picked up off Amazon, the Logitech MK360. Pretty basic keyboard, nothing too expensive, nothing too crazy, just something basic. If you're on a budget, if you just want to find something that's pretty cheap, this costs about $20, so it's a good price to get a keyboard, and it also comes with this free mouse. So I've already unboxed it. So it's wireless mouse, wireless keyboard. It comes with a switch, so you can turn it on and off. Also, there's an on and off switch on the keyboard. Wait, I'll show you here, up here on this side, so you can save your battery. It's gonna require AA batteries, which they actually come with 2 batteries. So that's pretty cool. So batteries already come pre-installed in there. Also with the mouse as well, as you can see right there. So they hook you up with the Duracells, and then all you have to do is just connect it to your computer via the Bluetooth. And the mouse is going to connect USB. Well, not hardwire USB, but it's wireless. But you got to put this little piece to the USB port, so this connects. So that's pretty cool. And of course, you can program some of the keys up here. These keys up here are programmable on the keyboard. You have your volume buttons when you're playing music, calculator, open your email, and go home. So yeah, it's pretty little basic, nice little wireless keyboard with a free mouse. It's free, you can't beat that, right? So the keys are pretty solid. Good little feedback. So that's pretty much it. So, if you're looking for a little basic pickup keyboard mouse, I recommend this Logitech board. Like I said, it requires batteries, but hey, just keep the switch off when you're not using it, turn it on when you're using it, save your battery, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Hey everyone, so I forgot to mention, on my website, I have 4 other keyboards that I did quick research on and a little bit of review as well, that they're a little bit more expensive than the one I just reviewed. But if you're a gamer and you're looking for a gaming keyboard, if you're looking for a waterproof keyboard, if you're looking for a keyboard that has great ergonomics, or if you're just looking for the best keyboard in the industry, I went ahead and also listed those on my website, so you can check those out as well if you're looking for something that's more tailored to some other things that you may need to use it for. So you can check that out if you want to. I just thought I'd mention that just in case you were looking for something else. All right, see you next time.